Picture this. You're in the office and need someone for an important on-site service task. But it's unclear if the right engineers are working from home or if some come to the office on Mondays, and suddenly you notice that this information is available in Alloy Navigator. The new Technicians by Workplace model data view shows exactly where everyone is working, whether from home, in the office, or on a hybrid schedule. Plus, there is now a new on-site service action for assigning these tasks to the right people. This makes it so much easier to manage and plan resources. Your colleagues are already excited about scheduling in-person meetings, coordinating on-site support, and brainstorming ideas for managing office space more efficiently. But how? How did this workplace model attributes suddenly show up? The secret is in the simplicity and power of custom fields. With just a few easy steps, you can create and tailor fields like this to perfectly fit your organization's needs. Watch this video and find out for yourself. It all started with the administrator adding the workplace model field in the settings. After a quick restart of the web app to make sure everything was set, the administrator went ahead and assigned the workplace model to each technician. To make things even easier, they added this info right into the technician's profile flyout preview, so anyone can quickly check where a tech is working from with just a glance. And now the new field unlocks its full potential. It can be integrated into data views, reports, and workflow actions. Unlike predefined system fields, custom fields offer flexibility and can be adjusted to meet unique requirements. In Navigator, you can create custom fields everywhere from tickets and assets to documents and purchase orders. You also have control over where these fields appear on forms. Navigator lets you create custom fields for various data types. For example, a lookup field provides a list for single choice selection, while multi-select fields allow multiple choices. String and memo fields store text, currency fields manage monetary values, and numeric fields hold numbers. Date time fields display a calendar with a time picker, and encrypted fields securely store sensitive data. Of course, custom fields don't stop there. They're incredibly flexible and can be used in all sorts of ways across your service management and asset management processes. For example, in IT asset management, a custom field for color is useful for tracking the physical appearance of laptops or mobile phones. Just imagine how this enhances asset identification and inventory management. Another example is a custom access areas multi-select field in employee records. This allows you to specify multiple access zones each employee is authorized to enter, streamlining access control and ensuring appropriate permissions. The power of custom fields is that they are as versatile as you need them to be. Whether you're in education, telecom, or in pharmaceuticals, custom fields give you the power to capture and organize exactly the information that's most important to you. Using custom fields has some tremendous benefits. They let you gather the exact data you need, which means your reports and dashboards can be more detailed and meaningful. This also helps you streamline your workflows, making sure that all the necessary information is right at your fingertips when you need it. Plus, they are incredibly flexible. Your Alloy Navigator can grow and evolve with your organization no matter how your needs change. With custom fields, your Alloy Navigator isn't just a tool. It's a fully customizable solution that adapts perfectly to your organization's unique requirements. Thank you for watching and goodbye.